Hey guys, this is this guy again. Anyways, I haven't touched this subject for a while because no one really watches these kinds of videos. I just want to get the series out of the way because it's kind of trash. Just kidding. But yeah. Today we're just gonna be focusing on, I guess, just making new pages because right now we only have this. Also, it kind of looks different from the previous one because when I was transferring everything to my new desktop PC, um, some files got like lost. Uh, anyways, I got this part. I kind of modified it to say something because I don't really have anything else to say. I think the style sheet thing would work. Um, I'm not sure if it does. I haven't tried it out yet on this computer because I've been mostly coding in C# rather than HTML. I've forgotten some things in HTML, but luckily I have some memory of it. And if you want, you can modify the home script. But for now, I'm just going to duplicate it because why not? All right. It deletes it. It's just not Unity because I've been using Unity for a while now. Right, you have to copy and paste it. There we go. I'm just going to rename this to, let's just say, facts. It's the lamest name ever, but it's just simple because I don't want to really do anything with this. You know. Oh god. Luckily I do remember that these P things are important. But anyways, we can type whatever we want here. If you want this part to be, let's say you want this part to be bold, you can just do this. Strong and end strong. These are specific functions they can use. Facts about me. Okay, just delete this too. Actually, just delete this. I guess we can rename this too. You gotta rename everything. And what we can do is we can start by making a list of things. Pretty neat, actually. We can start by, so there are specific functions in HTML that you can use to make certain designs of paragraphs. And I think it was Ool and Lee, I remember, because when I first learned it, this was the kind of stuff I learned. Now, the Ools basically just start up the list and end it. The Lees are like the little dots in between. And I like to use dots. You can use other kinds of things. I think there's like ols too. I'm not so familiar with this because I haven't touched this in a while. I used a touchy word. Okay, yeah. Anyways, we can just put like just put a bunch of facts about yourself, like I dislike asparagus. I don't like cheese. Just kidding. Perhaps. Let's see here. My favorite animal is. Let's see here. What kind of animals are there? Flower. Okay. Tomato. There we go. That's pretty good. Just add the periods. Also, don't forget to add the ending parts to all of these bullet points, I could say. Oh, okay, ew. Yeah. That's basically it. So now that we've created a separate page for our website, if we try opening it now you can see this happens. We get our list. It's a good thing. So once you've gotten both windows open, you can then proceed to typing the specific code in. This will be kind of complicated, but, well, not so much, but kind of. Just kind of, okay? Anyways, we'll start by doing it at the home page because it's obviously the most important, just saying. We should have the list. Let's have the list up in the body section. Oh, my mic fell. Okay. We should have a friendly introduction to this, such as. Actually, no, it's okay. We'll add that in later. We can just make a new list because you know home pages have lists. Actually, you know what? This might seem weird, but well, the menu pages. Well, when you look at a website, there's always going to be a list of links that you can click on, and they will put you in different kinds of pages, and that's what we're going to do here. Basically, the code you want to put in is ahref equals, let's say, well, let's just first put in the one that we're in first, which is home, or just put in the name of the file. So in this case, it's home.html, and after that you just close it off and put in the name of the title, which is home. Easy. And you end off the A part, and you just end off the list. It's pretty simple. I mean, it is complicated, but after you get the hang of it. And you do the same for facts. Oh wait, right, I haven't saved it yet. You gotta make sure you save everything. Oh wait, never mind, I'm dumb, I did. Facts.html. Facts. And end it off. And just finalize it. There we go. Now, if we just reload the page. Okay. Alright. Oh, you know what I did? Yeah, syntax is very important when it comes to coding. There we go. Now, when you click on these pages, it will direct you to them. However, yeah, you can't go back to home because we don't have anything for the facts page. So basically, you can just copy this and put it right here. Should be good. And now when you reload, just go there. Oh, that's kind of ugly. You can just rearrange where it goes later. Yeah, now it works kind of the way it's intended to. I guess it's pretty good. I think I'll just move this. Oh, right, you can't do that in Notepad. Just Control C. Control V. You should put it below the H1 because it will look a lot neater and it will be better for me. It will look nicer. Okay, yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't know why it does that. Oh, right. We need to make it a list. Yes, basically, if you miss the tiniest details in coding, big mistakes can occur. So, watch out for that. Yeah, now it works. So you can play with this for more of your sites or pages, whatever. And make sure you always put the same code in. and make sure you have every single little detail in, because it can screw up the whole entire page if you're not careful. So I guess that's all for today. I'm probably going to end this series soon and start working on something else. I'll start releasing trailers for my upcoming video games that I'm releasing. And I guess I'll see you all in the next episode. Bye.